Foxy, I'm Komal and I'm a makeup artist. I think there is a misconception that people feel कि glasses के अंदर eye makeup दिखता नहीं है. But let me tell you, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. So when you wear glasses, there is a different way of doing an eye makeup. And that is what I'm going to teach you today. So let's get started. The first step of makeup is using a foundation. This is one of my favorite foundation, which is Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation, and I use the shade 228. So I will be taking one pump of the foundation on my hand and I'll use this brush. It's a stippling brush from Real Technique and it's really nice to give you a lot of coverage on the face. So I'll tap it on and then I'll buff it. I'm going to put the foundation on the neck as well and also on the ears. So the next step is to set your foundation with a powder. This one is from Revolution. It's a luxury baking powder in the shade Banana. Also make sure आप ये वाले area पे ज़्यादा powder करें ताकि glasses से वो mark ना पड़े. So I'll take this on my hand and I'll use this powder brush from Faces. Take off the extra and then dab on my face. Something like this. Now I will be adding a little bit of color to my face. I'll use this Kiko Shade Fusion blush with the shade number 03. It's a very beautiful color with more peachy and pink tones. I'll use this blush brush from Real Technique. I'll mix all of these colors and use it on the apple of my cheeks. Can you see the freshness added? Your skin already looks really nice. Now I will be filling up my brows, which actually defines your whole face. This is a brow definer from Sugar. This shade is Woody Scooby 03. The best part about this product is one side you get a gel brow filler and the other side it's more like a comb to give the shape to your brows. So I would like to comb up my brows up first to give a lift and see wherever there is gap I'm going to fill in with this one. So now we will start with the eyes. I will be using this palette from Revolution. This is Foil Frenzy Creation. I love this palette because it has got all the colors which are more of a foil texture, and when you wear glasses, something with a little bit of sheen looks very much prominent. So I will be using this color. It's a copper color and will be using it with my fingers. So I'll use it on my lid. Now to blend this eyeshadow, I will be using this angled eyeshadow brush from Faces. Now to define your eyes, I will be using this matte eyeliner from Faces. This is matte play eyeliner. This is very intense black, and the best part is about the brush. It's really flexible so that you can move it according to your own wish. So I will be stretching my eye from here from the corner and putting the eyeliner very close to my lash line. Now I'll use the same eyeshadow palette and I'll use one shade darker than the color that I used, something like this. And use it with the same eyeshadow brush again and use it near my lower lash line. Now to complete my eye makeup, I have to put mascara. But before that, there is something that I want you all to please do it when you're wearing glasses, is to curl your lashes. This is a lash curler from Gov. So when you're curling your lashes, look straight into the mirror. Same thing on the other side. Can you see the difference? So both of them look so bigger and open up now. Now to define them, I will be using this mascara from Colorbar. This is one of my favorite mascara, Zoom and Whoosh Lash. This is a double wand mascara. So when you're doing an eye makeup and want your eyes to look very natural, use the smaller wand of this mascara. And when you want to enhance your eyes a little bit more, maybe when you're going to a party or for evening hangouts, then you use the bigger wand for it. Right now, I will be using the smaller wand, which gives a very natural and a nice lifted effect to my lashes. Just putting the mascara from the roots of the lashes. And your eye makeup looks complete now. Lastly, I will be using this lip color from L'Oreal Paris. This is shade number 121 I Choose. This is a really long lasting color. So I have chosen a lighter color on my lips because I have made sure that my eyes looks more pop out today and looks more elaborate and nice. And to complete the look, I'm going to put the glasses on. I loved creating this makeup look and I hope you guys also enjoyed it. Keep watching Foxy for more videos like this. Until then, stay fab, stay foxy.